Welcome to Tokyo, a city full of unique experiences. It's so crazy, and incredible sushi. In this vlog, we're going to be taking you to some of Tokyo's most unique experiences.
It's magical. Yeah. I loved it so much.
This is our family's first trip to Tokyo, and we can't wait to share this adventure with you. You won't want to miss any of it, so hit that subscribe button and join the adventure. Good morning, and welcome back to Tokyo. This is our second day in Tokyo, and we decided to come back to the Sensoji Temple because yesterday when we were here, it was just too crowded to really be able to enjoy it, and we were here at like 1 o'clock yesterday. Today we're here at 8 and there's way fewer people. So much better earlier in the morning.
The only issue with coming at 8 in the morning is not all of these stores are open. There are some further down that are open, but if you want like the full touristy, fully crowded stores experience, you should come at 12. This morning and got coffee, got on a train, and now we're out getting lunch, and we actually have a really interesting story to tell for how we got here. We're at Fish Intermediate Market, and it's where they have like different auctions for different fish every morning. We accidentally ended up in like a warehouse while we were looking for food, and now that we found it, it's like, it actually seems pretty awesome. There's lots of restaurants here, lots of places to get some really fresh sushi, so we're gonna come back here in a few hours and I'm gonna grab some sushi from here. But for right now, we've got some beef and rice and miso, and it all looks super good. I just have a raw egg. I don't know if I'm supposed to put it on the rice or this. I don't want to put it on his rice though, so I feel like that was wrong. Yeah, those are good.
Okay, so our beef lunch was so good, and right now we are at, I don't really know how to explain what this is going to be, like a museum or an art exhibit
that you walk through.
Okay, like fully immersive art exhibit. We're not wearing shoes right now, which is weird. Actually, shoes or socks, we're barefoot.
Yeah.
Because there's actually water in this place. I've seen pictures of this room before, but I actually didn't think it would be that impressive. Like, we're standing over mirrors, and there's mirrors on the ceiling and on the walls. It's so crazy.
You are up. It's magical. I loved it so much.
Can't believe that I was on the fence about coming to this place. Like, I don't know, it didn't seem super impressive from like the pictures, but like now that we're here, this place is so cool. All right, tell me what you thought.
Like, I don't know, it was so amazing, and my favorite part was definitely the crystal room with all the lights, but then I also loved the flowers one, where it felt like you were like in outer space but with flowers, which sounds crazy.
Yeah, my favorite room was definitely the crystals as well. I also liked the room with the really big balls that changed colors.
Oh,
that was really
yeah.
fun. And I think it was any of the rooms that just had the mirrors, because I don't know, I didn't expect it to be, I don't know, that
Like, cool
amazing.
memory.
I know. And I was thinking like, you know, like mirrors and lights sounds cool, but like not something I would really expect myself to spend money on, you know?
Like, I expect Disney to be the same level as fun as this. This just was not as fun.
Yeah, that was
An hour?
amazing. Yeah. Liam loved it too. He was a little bit worried at first because the whole thing started off with a ramp and water flowing down the ramp, and he was ended in the dark, and he was like, no, this is not good. And it's like, yeah, good instinct. Most times when you have flowing water in a dark room,
It's not good.
yeah, that's not a good thing. So good instinct, but he ended up really loving it. Buy your tickets ahead of time for this place though, because there's a bug.
It's still, it's still,
Anyways,
it was a ladybug.
buy your tickets ahead of time because they've already sold out for the day, and it's only 1 o'clock right now.
Yeah.
We got in at 12 and we bought our tickets ahead of time, and that was a great time to go. I didn't feel like it was like super crowded or anything. Usually I say like go at the beginning of the day because then it's less crowded, but that was great. Okay, actually everyone's infatuation with the crystal lights made me think of that one scene in A Bug's Life where the bugs are like attracted to the light.
No! Harry, no! Don't look at the light!
Anyways, so now we're gonna go and get some sushi. Liam has already fallen asleep,
Sensory overload. It worked.
so we get to have a sushi date. So earlier when we were here, the place was so crowded that there were lines in front of every single restaurant, and so we came back over here and it's around like 1:30 and there's no one here. Like Abby and I are literally the only people in the restaurant, which is really great because Liam's napping and I would love for him to sleep as long as possible. So we're gonna get some really good sushi here. I'm so excited.
What is the green on top? The dark. This one's an omelet, and you're supposed to like end everything with it. It's like sweet.
We've just kind of been scarfing down sushi because they're so good. This guy here has just been making them like right in front of us, and then after he gets done, he just puts it on our plate here. We have not even been paying attention to the camera or anything, just eating it. It's been more of an experience than just tasting sushi because every different type of sushi had a totally different flavor. It's not like sushi I've tried before, like in the US, where they kind of all taste kind of similar. Like every single one is totally different, and it's so good. So you guys definitely need to come to this place.
We are now in Akihabara. Akihabara? I don't really know. It is this whole district that's full of anime, manga, and lots of arcade games, and super, super fun.
Okay. Here, this one?
Want this one?
Okay, that's this one. You want this one? Okay. No, don't press it yet. Here. Okay, let's get it right over the toy. Right here. Ready? Alright, press the button. So this arcade that we're at has six, how many floors? Nine? Nine floors of arcade games. The top 4 or 6, I forget what it was, but it's a lot of them that have just these like claw machine games. Anyways, it's so much fun. So we're just like going through each floor and playing some of these games with Liam. It's so much fun.
What are we gonna do with the blue cat with the sighting? Alright, here we go. Wait. Ooh, okay, which one? The blue one? Yeah. Okay, hit the button.
Oh.
He's doing that!
What does he do?
He hits it twice, and so
Oh.
it closes up. Don't hit it yet, don't hit it yet. Do we think we're good?
No, it's not even close.
Okay. Should we try a different one? Apparently we're not very good at this.
So this whole area that we're in, it's so exactly what I think of when I think of Tokyo.
Yeah.
Like with the neon lights and the anime and the arcade games, it's exactly what I think of when I think of Tokyo. So we've actually stayed out and now it's dark and you can kind of see how bright the streets still are even at night here in this area. It's still fun to explore because it's exactly what I think of when I think of Tokyo. I hope you guys are enjoying our tour of Japan, and I hope that you'll join us for our next video because we're going to be doing even more. We've got Disney coming up, which we're super excited about.
And the zoo.
And the zoo. So we hope to see you in the next video.
Bye.